Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
No, I'm not.
Thanks to Steve A., I'm drinking another Hiram Walker product. This is the Pomegranate Schnapps.
And I can smell it from here.
Yep.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell to see more of William's suffering.
Yes.
All right, Matt, what's going on here? It looks
Steve
like
A said, Will hasn't suffered enough lately. So I was like, all right, we'll make, since Steve's coming to visit us in a few days, he's going to come do this. So this is the Hiram Walker Pomegranate Schnapps. And you knew when it was red, you knew this was something Will would really enjoy. I knew that just looking at the bottle, he would love it. It's 15%, of course, woohoo, made with natural ingredients, and it's sweet and tart. That's all I can find about this thing. Unfortunately, the Hiram Walker, all their schnapps and liqueur, their website's been down for weeks. So there's nothing else to find. I don't know why. It's owned by Bernard Ricard. It's like, could you fix the damn website? Yeah, it's been down for weeks, but whatever. So this is the cocktail stream. We got the PomeTini and the PomeRita. That's on the back of the bottle. So that's what I got for you. So let's see if this actually tastes or smells remotely like a pomegranate or if it's going to kill Will. Let's
it
find
tastes and smells like natural ingredients.
out. It smells like pomegranate seed, like that's palm seeds.
It smells like syrup.
It smells like grenadine.
Sugar.
It does.
Yeah, that's true. Grenadine is pomegranate. That's valid.
Yeah, for all those that
This smells like
think
grenadine.
that grenadine is cherry.
It's pomegranate.
It's not. Those people ordering
I mean,
Shirley
it, smells,
Tempers.
it does remind me like pomegranate juice, and you get that palm juice, whatever. We have
And honestly,
reviewed real pomegranate liqueurs that were actually good.
See, this is reminding me more of like an ocean spray cranberry juice with pomegranate.
Cran palm.
Yeah, cran palm.
Sure, right.
Super tart.
Yeah.
But the sweetness
Very, very
is-
spun sugar sweetness.
The sweetness is there. Look how clingy it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
It's nice and red.
Making my glass pink.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. The moment of
color.
truth that Steve is waiting for.
Color about matches my hair.
It really does.
You know what?
There's enough bitterness in there.
Not that sugary, actually.
It does have a lot of bitterness.
Yeah.
It is sweet.
shocking.
It is clingy.
If you were to take this and you were to mix it in some high C, the red one, original high C, you wouldn't even taste it.
It would vanish.
And you'd
Yeah,
be
it's not actually that sugary. It's more tart than anything. A little bit bitter.
Mhm.
I could actually see myself adding this to Dr. Pepper, like
Sorry,
or
Steve.
like adding this to a soda
Yeah.
water. Like this is not bad.
This one is not.
Well, yeah. So you get some pomegranate, like to that juice tart, a little bit of bitters to it. It's actually pretty damn good, shockingly.
It
I thought
kind
would
of
be
is.
horrible.
I kind of want a little bit more to try to add it to some tea or try to add it to some.
I
That's
will give you more.
Weird. Look, he's got
Do
plenty.
a full bottle.
What do you think he's going to do with that?
I don't hate this.
Sorry, Steve.
Well, we can
This
make
was for
cocktails.
you, buddy. I'm so sorry about that, but like
We'll have to
I
try
was-
again.
We'll have to
The
try and find
nose-
something even sweeter. Don't worry, I have plenty of other things, Steve. We'll get them with at some other point in time.
The nose smells like it's going to be spun sugar
It
sweetness.
smells like
it's
it is
not.
just syrup.
Yes,
Yeah.
but
Yeah,
there's enough
it's
bitterness in the pomegranate that it balances everything out fairly nicely.
Yeah, because these two cocktails, one says, it's added to vodka and a splash of lemon lime soda. The other one is add tequila and shake in a strainer. Yeah, probably pretty good with tequila, to be honest. It's probably
both
pretty
of those-
nice.
I don't think either one of those would be a bad cocktail.
If you're adding it to the tequila, you can probably make yourself a
Pomegranate margarita,
Margarita.
essentially.
Probably awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm all for a pomegranate margarita. That sounds great.
yeah.
Yeah, I might need another sample of this one, Matt.
All right. I can make it happen.
All right.
Hey, Hiram Walker. We found a Hiram Walker I like.
You're
That's
right.
crazy.
I don't know if that's ever happened before.
I don't know that that's
think
ever
it's-
We've
happened.
happened with other liqueurs, but this, I don't think a Hiram Walker one's happened before.
No. Wow, he's happy about it, guys.
Good job.
Hey, I like finding things I like.
Oh,
I'll
absolutely.
try
We
everything.
we're up to like
I like
10 now
finding
or
things I
something like that.
I know.
Maybe a little more somewhere in there.
1 out of 10. That's not
I
bad
mean, hey, bad.
for this one.
Especially
All
a
right.
liqueur, it's not a gin or a rum.
Right.
So this isn't bad.
Yeah,
No,
It,
shockingly
kind
decent.
of surprising.
I like
very
it.
red.
It is thin.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
it's thin and it's red.
Well, you
But-
could thank Dr. Don for making it good for you then, Will. He's a great guy.
All right.
I'm gonna take another sip.
Okay, he's gonna go out on a sip, guys. Don't
Mhm.
forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights and check out the Patreon for more behind the scenes fun. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers. My glass is tinted.
Mine too.